So you want to make a video that gets all of the clicks, the hits, and the subs, and all of that? Well, we're going to figure out how we can do that. And we're going to figure that out by Googling it. So step one is, to create a video, you need a high quality, high definition digital video camera. So we're off to a good start. I'm going to be ignoring this because why would you? Step two is, ideally the content of your video should be a popular topic so you can get the most views. So to make this video, we have to find somebody or something that's super popular. And after a quick Google search, the most popular figure in all of human history seems to be Jesus. So we're going to go with that. Step three. In my research, it became obvious that arbitrarily decided lists seem to do really well on the internet. So we're going to be making a 10 reasons why list about Jesus. Step four. So I wanted the list to be something like 10 reasons Jesus is ... But I feel like that alienates too many people. So instead, I'm going to change it up a bit, and I want to introduce a secular figure into the list. So it would have to be a comparative thing. So for my secular figure, I chose Bill Gates, even though I'm not really sure if he's religious or anything. It'll be fine. So now the video is titled 10 Reasons Bill Gates is Better Than Jesus. So this does two things. One, people who like Jesus would want to watch it just to hate on it a little bit. And the people who don't like Jesus would just watch it so that they can confirm their own beliefs, and it'd be kind of interesting. I feel like I tried to make pasta and I followed all the instructions right, but I ended up with sushi. Yeah. Step five. Okay, so now we have a title ready. We need to figure out what that list would actually look like. And that's a challenge because it's obviously going to be just terrible arguments. Okay, so I figured out a list that kind of tells you why the founder of Microsoft might be better than the Son of God. But, it's a stretch. Step six. So after abusing the power of Google, it came to my attention that most of the views on YouTube are probably from the USA. So I summoned the Gurgaon call center in me and decided to do my white voice.
It's your white voice.
My white voice.
A white voice.
My white voice.
A white voice.
White voice. So after some editing magic, we could make that into what could be considered a video by some.
Number 1. The number of lives saved. Jesus has saved a whole lot of lives. Jesus might be able to turn water into wine, but Gates can spend billions on making it drinkable. Beginnings. That Jesus had not one, but two fathers. The second father was the Father. This had a lot of pull in very, very high places. Physical attributes. When it comes to displays of raw strength and stamina, Jesus has Bill beat. Gates is currently 63. Jesus died at around 40. Twice. Jobs. The number of followers. Gates has 46.3 million followers on Twitter, and as we discussed earlier, there are only about 20.71 million people in the Jesus area of influence right now. The number of books written. But how many books did Jesus write? That's correct. It's a total of 0 books exactly. Some members of his crew got together and wrote about half a book, but other than that, we're coming up with nothing. Modes of transportation. Impact on others. Property tax. Let's take a look at how much the House of the Lord pays in property tax. Oh right, they don't. Attractiveness.
It's easy
to have many lovers. But we're not done yet. I decided to assault Reddit with my hideous creation and post it to the r/atheism subreddit and the r/video subreddit, where exactly nobody saw it and everyone hated it. But then I waited. My quest failed. I did everything right, and I still couldn't get anywhere with this. But remember, kids, if you don't succeed, just stop trying. Just don't do it. Give up. Don't do your dreams. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please just hit any of the buttons down there. Most of them do good things.